How to use DoorDash gift card. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, you'll have to make sure that you have DoorDash application in your mobile device. Once you install the application in your mobile device, go ahead and open it. Now once you open DoorDash application, you'll have to make sure that you're signed into your account. Now once you are signed in, you'll find this kind of interface in your screen. Now from here, you'll find a Me icon at the bottom right corner. Simply tap onto it. Now from here, simply tap on Settings icon. Now inside Settings, you'll find an option that says Gift Card. Simply tap onto it. Now you'll have to go ahead and enter the gift card pin inside this box. If you don't have a gift card, it will offer you to buy gift card from DoorDash. Well, in this box, you'll have to go ahead and enter the gift card pin, and once you enter it, you'll have to simply tap on Redeem Gift Card. And with that, your gift card amount will be added to your DoorDash credit, which are automatically applied to your next order. Well, that is how you can use DoorDash gift card. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.